Hi everyone, this is Datta. I am building this business from Vijayawada, and my upline is my friend Jagdish Reddy, and coaches are Chitra and Nagesh, and my mentor is Deepak Ketaki. Today I am telling about MLM versus Amway. Actually, MLM involves high investment. That means which has 50,000 to 1 lakh or 2 lakh, and depends on their companies. And Amway does not require any single rupee. That means somewhat you get products whatever you invested for your use and benefits. And second thing, it is not a viable product. That means some give a gold coin, some give iron box, some give foreign trips, and in this way the most MLMs are creating their businesses, and it is not a viable product. But in Amway we are dealing with FMCG products which are viable. And next, in MLM, no money back guarantee. That means whatever we invested, there should be no money back guarantee. Whenever you join person to your network, then only you get money. Nothing like that. But in Amway, 100% money back guarantee. Whatever you are investing, you get products which are usable for your home and your beauty, and so many are there: nutrition products, beauty products, skincare products, and home products like that. But and also we are getting 30 days, within 30 days for full refund, even though you used up to 30%, or full refund, money back guarantee, 100% money back. Whichever company will not give this. And coming to next, and here only the way in MLM is whenever you join the people, you get profit. But here in Amway, only money when you made turnover, but not joining people. Even if you join your one person as a partner, you will get nothing. And if you turnover more, your profit is more. And if you add some persons into your network who are eligible for you, and then multiply our turnover, and you get more profits. It is, and money has, in MLM, money has depreciated because you are getting for what you invested. And here Amway, your money has appreciated because you are using the products, and your turnover is, if your turnover is more, and you will get profit. And next, in MLM, that means in most of the MLMs are chain businesses and chain schemes, pyramid schemes, and which is not a part of Indian Direct Selling Associations. But Amway is a member of Indian Direct Selling Associations, which operates in 80 countries with a $8 billion of turnover annually. So Amway is a complete network marketing business which deals with more number of products. But in MLM, a single product that is used. But in Amway, the more number of products we are using, and more number of products we are dealing with this, and coming also we can extend some more another products to this Amway. So Amway is the best network marketing business in the world. I think so. Thank you.